Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to open Microsoft website or Xbox website, and if you're receiving this error, that is the request is blocked. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. First step is to try different browser. So if you're using Chrome, you can try Edge or Firefox. So you switch to different browser, and then you can try to open the website, and then you can check. You can even use Mozilla Firefox, and then you can check. You can even use Microsoft Edge and then check. Still not working. In that case, try opening the website in private mode. So in Google Chrome, at the top left, top right, you can see three dots. Click on it and then click on New Incognito window, and then you can try to open the website and then check. You can even try opening like private window in Edge. You can go to in private window and then you can check. If that does not work, you can try in different browser. Next step is to switch to different networks. So if you have any other network available, you can switch to different network and then you can check if you have any other network. Now, if that does not work, you can try mobile hotspot. So you can turn on the data on the phone, turn on the hotspot on your phone, and then you can go to the Wi-Fi and connect to your phone network. You will see your phone network over here, and then you can connect to your phone network and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to log in to Microsoft website or Xbox website successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.